My name is Artepan Chiné. We have always gone for traditional bread, the same bread we have always known. We believe that bread, especially artisan bread, must always be baked using radiating heat. That is what ancient stone ovens used to do. The stone was heated, and the roof accumulated the heat inside the oven and transmitted its radiation to the piece of dough. This is what thermal fluid grants us, especially in radiating heat ovens, no matter if we talk about the static or refract model with refractory stone base. We always put our faith on quality bread. Quality bread means using state-of-the-art technology, especially for the baking process. Retarded proofing, long fermentation periods, slow proofing, all of this improves quality. Our process includes letting the dough proving for a minimum of 9 hours and a maximum of 24 or 48 hours. We do it just using cold or by means of retarded proofing. Now we make use of the proving technology and refrigerated chambers because they help us control temperature and humidity, and thus the quality of the product keeps regular over time, regardless of the environment temperature. All of this we do to make bread as it has always been made. This creates a great bottom surface and, most importantly, a great baking and bread quality. We have been using radiating heat ovens for more than 32 years, GPG ovens in particular. Bread is baked from the outside in. Radiation helps the bread have a better strength and development and bake extraordinarily well. It makes the bread have more crust and bottom surface and helps it develop, be softer, and have better aroma and flavor. They bake completely regularly. We achieve better quality crust and bottom surface, ideal especially for artisan breads. And for pastry, the gentle radiant baking is great. This Static 15 we have here is the same as a radiating heat oven without a refractory stone and adds the advantages of baking with racks. Well, this oven is great. It is a thermal oil oven, bakes really well, very regularly, either looking at the sole or the crust of the bread. Wow, it is a baking machine. You can load baking racks after baking racks and then remove them nice and quickly. The refract oven is the oldest one I own. It is 31 years old and bakes wonderfully. It is amazing. For pastries, for artisan bread, it gives it a great bottom surface. The refract oven has always baked well and never has caused any trouble, ever. The static refract oven with full automatic loader helps us reduce our working resources. The loader collects small and very hydrated pieces of dough and is able to collect them from floured surfaces and put them in the oven, on top of the stone. It gives us more stability and the product gains in quality. The static refract oven with the loader saves us a lot of work. Loading and unloading is carried out very quickly, without effort and gently. Bread comes out beautiful, both baguettes and loaves, and the static does not lose heat, so you can open the door. It has a lot of advantages. This oven has a turbulent system for pre-baked bread, which makes its structure more double and avoids it getting wrinkly when baking is done. It makes it last longer. These ovens provide us great regularity. As they have separated steam generators, they produce the required quantity of saturated steam during the baking process, instantly when you put the product inside the oven, and that is crucial for the products we bake. Bread comes out great, with a correct development. It is a slashed, great bread. These ovens save us a lot of energy. They consume less energy, keep a constant temperature, and lose little heat. I'm so satisfied. And the shine, bread has a uniform and beautiful shine. This bread comes out great. And, well, clients want this. They come from far away because they want to get a quality and tasty bread, just like it has always been. That's why we are bakers, always keen and eager to make good bread.